Don't be afraid. If I ask you to do something that seems too difficult, count on me. Count on me to give you all the help you need. If I ask you to refuse to do something that is wrong, I will give you courage. If I ask you to help someone, I will give you the time and energy. If I ask you to share your faith with a friend, I will give you the words to say. Don't try to figure things out all by yourself. Remember that I am with you and depend on me to help you. I can do everything and I can use you to do what I ask of you.
Read the Bible?
Yes.
Ow. Okay.
Sorry.
2 Corinthians.
I can't see myself. So I still can't see myself.
I can see you.
Hi myself.
Can you not yell, please? All right, 2 Corinthians what?
2 Corinthians 12.
Shh, Avery. 12. 2 Corinthians 12.
Hi.
You were going the right way, honey.
My name's
Avery, hush, please.
Avery.
Avery.
What?
Okay. 2 Corinthians 12, verse 9.
But he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, I will boast all the more
Do that again.
The more gladly about my weakness, so that Christ's powers may rest on me. Shh. No, stop!
Say goodnight.
Good night.